been a while since I've done a video on this thing. I've just been busy with other stuff, busy with other cars. I haven't seen this car for about 2-3 weeks, and just thought I'd give it a nice wash and maybe do a quick vid on it. And yeah, she still comes up nice. I think I've owned this thing for about 3-4 years now. These wheels are a pain in the butt to clean. Very intricate, you gotta get right in, and then to be able to do the calipers. And as you can see, I've got some paint fade there too. Might have to get them redone. Give it a bit of a start up as well. Inside needs a good clean. And to answer your question, no, I don't really get the neighbours complaining. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not, yeah, I don't find the exhaust ridiculously loud. That's a supercharger under there. Yeah, I don't find the exhaust really loud, although it does get super loud when you get on it. Alright? Pretty nice car to have. Enjoy, I gotta go.